Hello everyone. Welcome to the production workshop of Yooan aluminum windows. Today, we will take you to understand the whole process from aluminum processing to finished products out of the warehouse and see how high-quality aluminum windows are produced. Let's walk into the factory together. Yooan Windows and Doors now has 90,000 square meters of modern production base. The introduction of Germany, Italy and other advanced production process equipment to create a digital intelligent manufacturing center, while equipped with the corresponding raw materials warehouse and logistics finished goods warehouse. At present, the scale of production and technology research and development has reached the leading level in the industry. First of all, what you see is our aluminum material storage area. Here we put all the basic materials for aluminum windows, like the outdoor side aluminum, indoor side aluminum and heat insulation strips for broken bridge aluminum. All the raw materials are ready here, waiting to enter the process. Next is the profile processing area. Here, we use automated double head according cutting equipment, which has an opening accuracy of up to 0.01 millimeters, as well as punching holes and other necessary processing steps. This not only improves the production efficiency, but also ensures the precision of each part and the firmness and sealing of the windows. The glazing part of aluminum windows is equally important. The glass is cleaned and automatically laminated, then individually filled with a standard portion of molecular sieve. A sealant is added, and finally an inert gas is flushed in. This is why aluminum windows excel in energy efficiency. When all the materials are ready, it is time to enter the assembly process. Our technicians will carry out the pin injection process for the cut aluminum frames and insulating glass. By rolling the adhesive strips and hitting the glue, the spliced aluminum windows can form a solid and excellent sealing whole. After that, all aluminum windows are thoroughly inspected and debugged, including dimensions, appearance and functionality, to ensure that the products are all in line with international standards and customer requirements. After a thorough inspection, the aluminum windows are packed and put into storage. Our fast delivery cycle ensures that you receive high-quality products and experience a hassle-free buying process. From aluminum processing to final shipment, we strictly control every step to ensure the quality and durability of our aluminum windows. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe to our channel for more information. See you next time.